Hi, I'm Peter Bennett, just finished a build with Bluebuild. We looked around for a lot of builders and then discovered Bluebuild. Spoke to a lot of people who'd used Bluebuild and they all come back with that they had great experiences. It was good to roll with someone that we knew that had some sort of history about finishing things well. What isn't there to love about it? Every bit's new. Wow. Can't wait to cook in there. The schedule went well, apart from a lot of the inclement weather. Budget-wise, everything was fantastic. Just really a couple of things that we decided to upgrade along the way, and I think that shows in the build. We were uncertain how much it was going to cost to do the build. Once we sort of realised how much it was going to cost to actually get it to the stage that we wanted it to be, we decided just to pull the pin on it and go for it, and there was no looking back. Sean was on site all the time, and then if I had any concerns, Ryan and I had a chat about it, and then he was pretty quick to put anything at ease. If I was looking to do this again, I probably would have engaged Bluebuild as the designers as well. They've got access to that, so it was a bit seamless. Just having a look around for the first time with it all finished, really excited. Feel like a kid in a candy store, especially to cook in the kitchen as I'm a chef by trade, so really looking forward to getting in there and making a mess and get the kids to clean it up.